In our previous videos, we uncovered how DNA damage and declining NAD+ levels drive the aging process in our pets. We know the blueprint of life is under attack, and the energy to fix it is fading. But what if we could equip your pet's cellular repair crew with better tools? What if we could build a stronger defense system to protect their DNA in the first place? Today, we're exploring the essential nutrients that form the foundation of your pet's cellular longevity. If DNA repair enzymes are the carpenters of the cell, trace minerals are the hammers and nails they need to do their job. These minerals are essential cofactors, helper molecules that activate the repair machinery. Zinc is arguably the most important, required to activate over 300 different enzymes involved in DNA synthesis and repair. Selenium powers glutathione peroxidase, a master free radical scavenger, while copper and manganese protect the mitochondria from constant oxidative assault. Without these trace minerals, the repair crew is powerless. Every minute, your pet's cells are bombarded by free radicals causing oxidative stress. To combat this, the body uses a sophisticated, multi-layered defense system. Vitamin E acts as the frontline shield protecting cell membranes. But once it neutralizes a threat, it needs to be recharged. That's where vitamin C comes in, restoring vitamin E so it can fight again. This powerful recycling process, supported by the master antioxidant glutathione, creates a continuous defense system that shields your pet's DNA from damage. Sometimes, a cell becomes so damaged it enters a state called senescence. These zombie cells stop dividing but refuse to die, lingering and secreting toxic inflammatory proteins that accelerate aging in surrounding tissues. To get rid of them, we need senolytics, compounds that selectively clear out these damaged cells. Quercetin, a powerful natural flavonoid, acts as a cellular cleanup crew. It targets the survival switches in zombie cells, forcing them to safely self-destruct while leaving healthy cells completely unharmed. While a high-quality diet is foundational, achieving therapeutic levels of all these nutrients through food alone is nearly impossible for senior pets. True cellular protection comes from nutrient synergy. NAD+ provides the energy, trace minerals provide the tools, antioxidants run the defense, and senolytics clean up the mess. When all these components work together, you give your pet the best possible chance to combat aging at its root. If you found this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to click the link in the description below to read our full scientific guide on protecting your pet's DNA.